Welcome to an in-depth exploration of Santander Bank USA. In this video, we will meticulously review the terms of service and provide a comprehensive breakdown of their offerings, fees, and policies. Whether you're a potential customer or just curious, this guide will clarify everything about Santander Bank USA. Santander Bank USA operates across the United States, offering a wide range of services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment options. Let's start with some of their standout advantages. Access to a large network. Santander provides customers with access to over 600 branches and 2,000 ATMs, ensuring convenience for day-to-day banking. International banking options. Their strong ties to Santander Group allow seamless international transactions, making it an excellent choice for travelers or businesses with international dealings. Introductory offers. Many accounts include bonuses for new customers, such as cashback or interest rate promotions. However, there are disadvantages. Fees. Monthly account maintenance fees can range from $3 to $25 unless certain conditions, like maintaining a minimum balance, are met. Overdraft fees may go as high as $35 per transaction. Customer service issues. Some users report difficulties in resolving disputes or delays in account handling. Limited features for online-only accounts. Compared to fintech competitors, Santander's digital offerings are less robust. Cost overview. Checking accounts. Basic accounts require a minimum deposit of $25, and fees may apply unless balances meet requirements. Savings accounts. The standard savings account has a monthly fee of $1 but offers interest rates lower than competitors. Credit cards. They feature competitive APR rates starting at 15%, but watch for foreign transaction fees. When you choose Santander, consider how their offerings align with your financial habits. Their comprehensive brick-and-mortar network is great for traditional banking users, but digital-first customers might find the mobile app limited in functionality. For a full review of these points, check out the video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to stay updated on future content.